What's up, everybody? My name is Henry from GI Technologies. Currently, we are inside Tema Comm25 here to fix our video intercom system, our integrated intercom system. This intercom system allows the client to be able to receive guests when he's home or when he's not home. Client is not in Ghana, he's able to receive guests from the US, and he's able to open his entrance gate. So I'm going to show you how the intercom system works.
Calling now, please wait a moment.
Calling now, please wait a moment. Let's go, let me show you. Alright, that's screen number 1. Let me speak to him. Hello, Kwesi Utumengana.
Yeah, boss, we're talking about.
Is it loud and clear?
It's very, very loud and clear.
Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate the other side at the top. So I'm going to hang up, then you just press the door again. Let's see whether it works.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, so that's the second screen at the top floor, and I want to speak to him. Yeah, Kwesi Utumengana.
Yeah, boss, we're saying.
Is it loud and clear?
Very, very great.
Okay, alright. Thank you. Guys, if you have any intercom job, make sure you give us a call. We're in Accra, Kumasi, Tamale. Now we are everywhere in Ghana, so call us now.